Hello viewers, this is another video of solving exponents, and in this video we are going to learn how to solve variable exponents, how to solve an expression where the exponent is a variable. So let's get started with our first example. Here we have a question where it is given to find the value of x in the expression, and we see that here the basis of the exponents is the same. We know that the rule of exponent multiplication, when the bases are same, we can add the exponents. So here we are going to use that rule. So by use of the exponent multiplication rule, we are going to write 5 over 3. It will become minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to 5 over 3 to the power 3x. Now here, as the bases are same, we can equate the exponents. So here by that rule we will be getting minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to 3x. Now we can solve for 3x here, because minus 4 and minus 5 will give us minus 9 is equal to 3x. Now dividing both the sides by 3, so we'll get minus 9 over 3. I'm going to write 3x on this side because it's easy. So this will get cancelled, and this we are going to get x is equal to minus 3. So this is our final answer. Now let's move on to the next example. Here too we are going to use the same rule, p to the power m times p to the power n is equal to p to the power m plus n. Now by that rule this will become single base and the powers will get added. So 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 4 over 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Here the bases are same, so we can equate the powers because there is an equal to sign here in between. So we'll get 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 1, or 4 minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 1. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. So now we'll add plus 1 on both the sides to get rid of this negative 1. So adding 1 on both sides. So this will become minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1 minus 1. So this gets cancelled, and so we'll get minus 2 is equal to 2x, or now we'll divide by 2 on both the sides. So we'll get minus 2 over 2 is equal to 2x over 2. So after this we are going to get x is equal to minus 1. So this is our final answer. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So this is how we can solve expressions having variable exponents. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.